Everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Eclatics. Today I will show you some Excel tricks. If you are using Excel for your office work, accounting or study and you are not using these tricks, I believe you are wasting hours every week. Today I will show you 10 powerful Excel tricks that most people don't know. We will practice each one step by step. Let's start with flash fill. You can see that I have full names here. Now I want to extract only the first name. So let's type Rohim. Then press Ctrl plus E and Excel automatically fills all the cells with the first names. Let's do the same for last name, Uddin. Now press Ctrl E. You can see that Excel fills with the last names in all the cells. This feature is called flash fill and it works for names, phone numbers, emails, and formatted text also. Now practice this and it will save you hours. Let's move to number 2, that is paste special. Here I have amount calculated using formula. But sometimes we do not want formulas, we only need final results. I copy the amount column, then right click on it, click paste special, click values, now click OK. Now the formula is removed. If I change the quantity here, you can see that the amount does not change. This is very useful in preparing final reports. Let's move to number 3, that is insert today's date quickly. We will use a simple formula, and that is Ctrl plus semicolon. Now enter Ctrl plus semicolon. Here you will find today's date here. Now press enter. Let's fill the same in other cells as well. Select all the cells. Now press Ctrl plus semicolon and Ctrl plus enter. All the cells are filled with today's date. Let's move to number 4, and that is fill handle. Here we have typed a formula. Now I want to see this formula in all these cells. Now click in this cell. In the corner you will have a plus sign. Click on it. You can see that Excel fills the formula automatically. Fill the last row. Let's do the same here. Saves a lot of time in large data sets. Let's move to number 5. The sheet has duplicate employees ID. Now select the table here. Click data. Click remove duplicate. Press remove duplicates and employee ID only. Press OK. You can see that 3 duplicate values was found and removed. 4 unique values remain. Press OK. This is very useful for cleaning data. Let's move to number 6. Now let's look at VLOOKUP formula. Let's type it. You can see that when I search for a valid ID, it returns with salary. But if I search for an invalid ID, Excel shows an error. This looks unprofessional, so we use IFERROR. This formula says if there is an error, shows blank instead. Now invalid IDs will not show if we use IFERROR. Let's type it. Now it looks clean and professional. Let's move to number 7. Calculate total quickly. Select the empty cells below the numbers. Press Alt equal. Then press enter. Excel automatically selects the range and gives the total. No need to type sum manually, and it will save your hour. Let's move to number 8. That is free spans. When I scroll down, header disappears. This makes it hard to understand columns. To fix this, now select here. Then let's go to View. Click Free Spans. Now you can see that when I scroll down, header stays visible. You can also freeze the top row or the first column. This is very useful for larger reports to understand it properly. Let's move to number 9. That is text to column, which is very important. Here I have name and department combined in one column. To separate them, first of all select it, go to data, click here text to column. It will be delimited. Next, select other, type here hyphen. Next, finish it. Okay. Excel splits them into 2 columns. It is very useful for messy data. Let's move to number 10. That is filters. To analyze data quickly, select the header row. Now click Ctrl Shift L. Filter button will appear. Now you can filter by department or sort salary high to low or low to high. This is one of the most powerful basic Excel tools. So these are the 10 Excel tricks that can save you hours at work. And pause the video and practice each sheet. Comment below which trick you like the most. If you knew all 10 tricks, comment pro. And if you learned something new, comment which number surprised you. And if you use Excel at work and need more like this, like and subscribe, because in the next video I will be showing you something even more powerful. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.